everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to print perfect numbers between 1 and a user given number. So first of all, let's see what I actually meant by perfect numbers. According to Wikipedia, basically a perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its positive divisors excluding the number itself. Suppose we have 6. 6 has divisors 1, 2 and 3. When we get the summation of those 3 divisors, we again get 6. Therefore, we can say that 6 is a perfect number. There are some other perfect numbers also, 28, 496 and so on. Now let's see how to build this program using C++.